Hi, this is Professor Yan. In this short video, I will introduce my new book, published this year, 2023. The name of the book is Learning R and Python for Business School Students. Okay, the target audience, business school students. Agenda, topic number 1. Why business school students should master at least one programming language. Topic number 2, beyond just one book. I'm going to show you how to use my book to teach or learn R or Python. Topic number 3, from where you can find over close to 1,000 programs written in R or Python. Topic number 4, you can spend one semester to learn R only. Topic number 5, you can spend one semester to learn Python only. Topic number 6, if you're smart enough and you can spend just one semester to learn both R and Python. Topic number 7, from where you can find support, like a GitHub location and in R assist learning environment, and my contact information. Topic number 2, beyond just a book. Here, I'm going to show you the preface of this book, Learning R and Python for Business School Students. Okay. So this is 2023, published by Cambridge Scholar Publishing. Okay, so let's go down. I'm going to skip the table of contents, okay? So chapter 1, chapter 2. So first half of the book focus on R and up to here. And chapter 14 up to chapter 21 related to Python. The last 3 chapters are some project related. Okay, so this is... Okay, I mentioned here specifically beyond just one book, okay, beyond just one textbook, okay. I have like over 1,000 programs written on R and 200 datasets in CSV, R dataset, SAS dataset, and the Pickle, okay. And it's mentioned start from scratch, R first, then Python. If you plan to learn both language, so my understanding is R is relatively easy. Python is more complex compared to R. Okay. Okay, using familiar concept and formula because it's the target student. It's a business school student, so I use NPV formula and use present value of annuity, future value of given present value, etc. Okay. Okay, so these I'm going to come here. Okay, small programs. Okay, later I'm going to show you I have many utility function. Okay, so this is called in R assisted learning environment. Okay, I give you one example. Suppose .search web. If I type .search web, FF3M, then I can see all the PharmaFrench 3-factor monthly dataset. Then I enter this ID, then I can access directly. Okay. Or alternatively, I can simply copy this link, then I can write R or Python code to access those dataset. Okay. And so this is about the search code. As I mentioned, I have like over 1,000 small programs written in R or Python. I generate like 3 code-related utility functions. The first one is called the search code. Okay. For example, I type .search code 1. So this is all the codes related to chapter 1. So this is code ID. For example, assignment. For example, first one, assignment. So this is chapter 1. Assignment. This is R code. Okay. So let's go down. There are 2 ways to input to use search code function. The first way is we enter chapter number, like this, chapter 1. We see all the code related to chapter 1. If we type chapter 2, then all the code related to chapter 2 will show. Okay. The second way is we can input some keyword. .search code FF3M, the PharmaFrench 3-factor monthly. So all the code related to the PharmaFrench 3-factor model will show. Okay. For example, ID 90. This is C04 chapter 4 and PharmaFrench monthly .r. So this is R programs. So let's look at the last one. Okay. The code ID is 1016 chapter 23 PharmaFrench SAS dataset to Python Pickle. And this is Python programs. Okay. The next function is called .showCode. Okay. For the search code, we can get code ID. Okay. So this column is code ID. Okay. And so if we .show after we find appropriate ID, we can use the show code 655. Then we can see the code. Okay, so this is the Python code. So let's see. So we import panda as PD, import numpy as np. Then this is pass is PharmaFrench 3-factor monthly.csv. Then we can retrieve it. Okay, then we retrieve it and we divide by all the parameters by 100. Then we generate a Pickle dataset. Pickle dataset is Pickle dataset is Python dataset. And also, if you type .ice, so this is we have like I designed so many in-class exercise. It depends on which week. Okay. And also, I have generated so-called a function called code image. Okay, and for example, if I type code image FF3, then it will show the ID or all the appropriate code related to the PharmaFrench 3-factor model. Sometimes R, sometimes Python, and code image. So if I type C1 underscore, this will show all the function related to chapter 1. The objective of this code image is to help instructor. Instead of show student can copy paste the code and they will see the image. Then according to the image, they can type their code. For example, if you type .code image 1, okay, on your screen, you will see this image. So we have 3 ways. This is related to R. Okay, So this is, we assign 10 to x less than hyphen is the first way to assign 10, value 10 to x. This is conventional assignment. The last one is 30 hyphen larger than x. So assign 30 to x. Okay. And also I have many good utility function. Okay. So this is another function, utility function I call dictionary. You can dot dictionary. Okay. Dot dictionary, sometimes when you learn R and Python together, sometimes you're really confused. Okay. For example, the shortcut for the dot dictionary is dot dict. Okay. If you learn R, ls is listing function. Okay. So R is listing function. Okay. However, you see here, I should have put in, okay. So this is get, okay. So this is R is ls. Okay. For the Python, we use dir. Okay, it's there. Okay, ls, left, right parenthesis. For the Python, corresponding function is dir. Okay. And so this is also very useful function called dot search web. So this serves as two, okay, as two function, combination of two function. The first one is we try to find the ID. For example, search web CO2sh. Okay, then we can like ID. Suppose, so this is a CSV file, and the ID is 218. Okay, if we replace this 21A, if we input 21A, then we'll go to that web page directly. If it's dataset, we can download that dataset. Okay. And also the last one is I generate I don't know, over 24 video, so you can find appropriate video to help you to learn this, to learn R or Python. Okay, I'm going to show how to download R. Okay, you type R project, r-project.org, r-project.org. Okay, so on the download, CRAN, you click CRAN, and you choose a location. For example, I'm located in the US. You just any. So actually, it is called a mirror. Actually, is server, same server. Okay, depend whether you use Windows or Mac. I'm using Windows. Just click R. Okay, just click base. Okay, just download latest one. So after you finished, then you install. After you finish download or install and store the R, you will see R icon on your desktop. Okay, just click R, then you can start. We can launch the R. Assume we are interested in learning R only. Okay, so after launching R, then you just issue one line of R code. Source http data yyyy.com week1.txt. Okay, I'm going to explain this line. Source is our function. Okay, http is remote location. So if this week1 is sit on your computer, then we can also use the source. Okay, and R is case sensitive, so we have to use all the lowercase. I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it. Okay, so after you hit okay, so I made an error, so this is forward slash twice. Okay, we can use R up and down arrow key to record the previous command. Okay, then we move a cursor here. Okay, source http :/twice datayy.com week1.txt. Then we hit enter. Then we got this this menu. Okay, .c1 is about chapter 1. Okay, so this instruction. Okay, we use .rr. We come back to this our menu. Okay, so .c1. So this is related to chapter 1. Okay,